Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Let's make something really fabulous. So today's project is a tiny but a little statement maker. It's so cute. Drop it in a stocking, leave it on a desk, sell them as little favors at your craft table. Whatever the reason, these are just fabulous. And you can change out the papers and make them for any season, any reason. And just because I'm saying they're stocking stuffers or craft fair items doesn't mean that you're limited to using them just for that. Guys, use your imaginations, use your creativity, and imagine what anything that I'm showing you can be. It can always be more than I'm showing, and it can always be for any reason, not just the reason or the season that I demonstrate it for. So here is today's little project, and it is just so super cute. It is a dual set of the little Hershey Nuggets. And these are very popular. And I decided that I would make some as just little stocking stuffers or little favors that you can set out on your table at the craft fair and sell, or you can put them on a desk. Just perfect for that. And I'm going to bring them up close so that you can see them. I'm not going to unwrap them because I've got them wrapped all nice and pretty. But we are going to make this, and you're going to see how quick it is to actually do it. So I am going to bring in a piece of paper that measures 4 by 3.5. And I am going to take my 4 by 3.5 inch paper and score it at 1/2 inch, and then at 1 on all 4 sides. And this measurement will give you a box that will hold 2 nuggets, which I think is just the ideal size. The hardest part about this project is not eating the chocolate. Okay, so we're going to fold and burnish all of these score marks. All right, so then we're going to come back and we're going to remove some of the excess paper on here. So we're going to have 2 corner pieces that we are going to remove from this project. And I will remove 2 of them with you guys, and then I will do the other 2 off camera. So all I'm going to do is cut up to the second score mark and then come down, just like this. And then I have a tab here that I need to free up, and I'm going to kind of fold this up so I can see where my tab is. And there's my tab. And then I'll do the same thing over here. So I'm going to go up to the second score mark, then I'll come in over here, and I am going to remove this corner piece right here. And this is what I'm left with, and I'll do the other piece off camera, and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so we've got it cut. All of our tabs are out. And we're simply going to glue this little box together. And I'm placing glue on my tabs, and then I'll fold them up and put my box together. And this is a chipboard free project. And it is also a great way, again, to use up those 6 by 6 papers that you have. And if you don't have any 6 by 6 papers, you can just cut down a piece of 12 by 12 and get 4 6 by 6s out of it. All right, so once we've got the little box together, we are going to come back and simply fold over the flaps onto the inside. But first I need to place glue on them. So once I've got them glued, I'll just fold that in, come back with my bone folder, and smooth it down. And I hope that you guys are liking these little quick and easy projects. Sometimes we need some quick and easies. And I just decided that this would be one of those times. Alright, so we've got our little box together, and I am just going to take one of my nuggets, place it in to make sure it's going to fit, take the other one, place it in, make sure they're going to fit, and now I can come back and just wrap these. And so I have two strips that measure 1 by 2 7/8, and wrapping them is very simple. I am simply going to take the paper and place it down with glue. So I'm going to take the glue and just put it on this end, and then just get it pulled as tight as I can, and let that dry real quick, and I'll do the other one. So again, I'm going to take my paper, place it inside, and wrap it. And guys, wrapping Hershey's is not my idea. This has been around forever, so you can go out and find ideas on how to wrap candies all over the place. Okay, so then I'm going to take my two candies, place them down inside of my box, just like that, nice and tight. And then I want to come back, and I'm not even going to put any acetate or anything on the top. I'm simply going to come back and tie off a little piece of ribbon, and I'm using some spare ribbon for this, so hopefully I can get a decent bow going. And there we have it, guys. Isn't this cute? It's just a little something to give to someone either at Christmas time or any time. And then I'm going to come back with just this little sentiment that says Hello Santa. I'm going to tuck a little bit of glue on it, and then I'll place it right in there. And I didn't stick it on the candy, I simply stuck it on the ribbon. I'm going to pull that back. So I'll bring in the other one so you can see just how cute these are, and you guys just saw how easy it was for me to make these. And as I've been saying on my other videos, I will not be offering any pricing suggestions or price points on these, because I know that you guys are capable of setting your own prices and determining the worth of the crafts that you create. So I hope that you guys have liked this project, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.